Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you some free Windows wallpapers you could download and use on your computer. So somebody sent these to me, so they are a bunch of different themes, some Windows themes, some nature themes, kind of like the stuff you get from the Windows Spotlight. So I figured I'd just kind of show you them real quick, and then I'll put a link in the description where you could download them in case you want to use them for your background on your computer. All right, so I have them here in this folder. So you can see we have 160 of them. So some of these you may have seen before or recognized, something like this from the Windows Spotlight. So let's just kind of go through them real quick, or some of them. Old-fashioned, looks like a Windows 7 background. So a lot of nice scenic ones, and so on. So you get the point there. Let's see if there's anything else that's not really scenery related. Might have seen this one before in the past. It's kind of interesting one. Same with this one. And of course, once you download them, all you need to do is right-click on one, set as desktop background, or what you could do is put them where you want to save them first, and then you could right-click on your desktop, personalize, go to background, change it to picture, and then browse to it, or you could actually make a photo slideshow out of all of these backgrounds and have them change on a regular basis if you changed it to slideshow. All right, so let's take a look at one of these real quick. Looks like I changed my wallpaper on accident there too at the same time. So we go to the properties of them, go to details. You can see they're 1920 by 1200, so not huge. So they're still a pretty good size to make a nice clear background image, but they're not super, super high resolution. All right, so let's try this one for example. Like that. So, it looks pretty good. So I'm recording at a low resolution as well, so it's not going to look as clear as if you do it on your computer at full resolution. All right, so I just figured I would share that with you guys in case you were looking for some new and exciting wallpapers. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description, and then you could download them and try them out. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.